Hi, my name's Richard Maguire and I teach at Arcadia. Another one of my passions is street art. We are on Brick Lane at the moment. Brick Lane is in East London. It's a mile long. It's had a very interesting history. This is one of my favourite artists, this guy here. He always does these really angry faces and he uses kind of pastel crayons to do it. His name is Sell Out. And what he used to do a couple of years ago, he used to when he thought an artist had sold out, he would go round to that artist and he would stick butterflies, paper butterflies, all around the piece of art. And when you opened up the wings, it would say Sell Out. And also, the street art is very inclusive as well. It's not just white people or white men. A lot of street art is also done by women or people of colour, or sometimes the subject matter is people of colour. Street art doesn't need to just be about painting with cans. It also can be about posters as well. So this is really good. You can make these at home and then you can come in the middle of the night and put them up. And so the chances of you getting caught are less likely if you do it this way. Again, this is one of the most famous pieces of street art in Brick Lane. It's by a guy called Stik, S-T-I-K. And Stik always does these stick figures. And they've got no nose, they've got no mouth. They've just got two eyes. And they're all dotted around London. And usually he's on his own and he looks quite sad. And it's kind of about London. I think London is quite a sad place sometimes. But this one's different because it's got another figure. And so this is a person in a burqa, which kind of represents the Bangladeshi community here. And so again, it's about multiculturalism, two people, maybe different faiths, getting on very well here.